Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about how we can blink a simple image as like this LED. Okay, now you see this LED is blink on and off. Okay, same as like how we can blink this image like visible, invisible. How we can do this as per logic. Okay, now let's start. If someone is new in this tutorial, then please visit on the playlist about the vision motion and follow the series because everything is depend upon tutorial number 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, now let's come on this tutorial because this program I already created in the tutorial number 1. Okay, that's why please go and follow step by step. Okay, now let's start. Let's do programming. First I delete this. Okay, this is the LED programming. Now I delete this one. Okay, now let's start to increase. Okay, now first what you do, we need to index the array because help of this we can easy to blink our image. Go to structure, for loop, create a for loop like this. Okay, right click structure and for loop. Okay, for indexing the array. Okay, now you see this is the image pixel u16. Now we need to use u8. Now click and connect to this terminal. Okay, now let's modify. Okay, let's start a logic. Right click and come to comparison. Okay, select this. Okay, now you see right click and create a constant. This is upper and this is lower is this is lower is false and upper is true. Okay, uh, okay, now you see this is the switch. You need to give us some like a boolean value, true and false. Okay, if the value is true, then it's give this value, and if false, then give this lower value. Okay, now in the lower I am entering 0 and the upper I am entering 2.5. This is the maximum of image. Okay, okay, image maximum visible and 0 means invisible. Okay, okay, now what do you do, and you need to connect to this one and this one. Okay, now we need to change the representation because you see there have u8 and this is image pixel converted into array, that is also u8. Okay, now right click and come to representation and select u8. Same here, representation and select a u8. So first I delete this one and I'm directly connect to this terminal. Okay, okay, let's modify. Okay, all done. Now okay, first you see the output is indexing image array. Okay, now we need to convert image array array to image. Okay, now how we can do, right click, come to vision motion and vision utility pixel, and you see this is array to image. Okay, now click to drag here and you see there have a u8. Now directly connect to this terminal. Okay, now we need to temporary storage location. Okay, the same as like this one. Now I copy and paste here. Okay, visible item, disable the label. Okay, now you see image name, right click and create a constant, and you see there have a image name Pradeep1. Now I'm changed the different name, Pradeep2. Okay, now you see there have a border side node need new image, then click and connect to image. Okay, now and this is very important, image type, right click and create a constant and select u8. Same. Okay, okay, now this is image 1. You see now we need to copy for second image. Okay, we need to blink, click and connect to this one. Okay, all done. Now let's start a main logic. Okay, about this how we can turn on and off. Okay, now right click and come to numeric, sorry, comparison, and click to select. Okay, control space and enter feedback or feedback. Okay, now enter node feedback. Okay, now what do you do, right click, come to boolean and select true. Okay, now you need to connect to this terminal. Okay, Okay, now right click, come to boolean, and we need to select a not gate. Okay, and this terminal connect to this one. Okay, and this output you need to connect to this one. Okay, and this terminal connect to this one. Okay, let's okay, let's modify. Okay, let's clean up this wire. Okay, now if this condition is true, then what we need to give to this signal? Okay, this is a boolean. Now right click, sorry, come to boolean and click to true. Okay, and same copy this, and you need to select this is false. Okay, and clean a wire. Okay, all done. Now what you do, you need to connect to this one, and you need to connect to this terminal. Okay, what you do, right now we need to give us some delay. Come to timing, wait, and you need to connect to this constant. I am entering 200. Okay, now all done. Okay, everything is clean. Now control T. Let's increase this size. Okay, let's modify. Now let's start to run. It's working or not. Now let's click to run. Okay, now you see image is blinking. Okay, it's well. Okay, if you need to more modification, like how we can do this? Okay, our task is complete, that is image blinking, it's very well. If you need to blink a more like we can say a speed, okay, how you can do this? Control T. Like you need to increase the speed, then you need to enter a value that is 100 or as per requirement. Like again run and increase, like you see. Okay, it's amazing. Like if you need to enter a more delay, then like I'm entering 500, then you see about the output, like you see. Okay, now you see why it's like a white aura image. Why? Let's tell you about this thing. Okay, when your image is same as like this, when your image is same as like this in the second image, okay, that is here. Okay, second image. Okay, when you click to run, and that time it's sometime it's you the this image. Okay, this same pixel. Okay, now you see this is the image pixel. Okay, this is the first image pixel, or we can say image array, and the same output go to this false value. Okay, means when the this condition is false, that time it give the same, or we can say same array of this image. That's why it's blink this same array. Okay, and after then the condition is true about this, then it's give the 255. 255 means brightness, more brightness, or we can say white. Okay, everything's a white. Okay, if you enter like a 0, then it's give the like first it's give the this image. Okay, after it's give the 0, or 0 means black. Black and image, black image, like this. Okay, now let's click to run, and you easy to understand. Now you see black image, black image. Okay, okay, I think you already know about this 0, about, and 255. I already covered this topic in the tutorial number 1 and 2. 0 means black, everything's black, or we can say array is 0, then the image is black. Okay, if you enter like a 255, that is very brightness, or we can say white. That's why I'm enter here 0 and 255. As per requirement, you can choose this. Okay, now 200. Okay, now, and I'm enter here 0. 0 means black. Now first then the this condition is false. That time it's display the same this type of image, or we can say same array pixel. Okay, if this condition is true, then it's displayed 0 to every row and columns, and then your image is black. Now let's click to run, and you see image black, image black. Okay, now let's again try. Okay, I am increase the size, that is 255. This is the brightness. Okay, you can vary as per your comment. Now let's click to run, and now you see white and image. Okay, now you can choose or you can modify as per your comment. Thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.